What is investing? You're probably thinking investing sounds boring. You're like, nah, I'll worry about that later. I don't need shelter, food, and water to survive. I mean, unless you want to be homeless. Investing is basically like this. You take some money, use it to buy something, like a piece of a company, a house, and you hope that it grows in value so later you can sell it for more than what you paid. That's pretty much it. You're just planting a money tree and hoping it grows. But how does my money actually grow? Let's say you hide $100 under your mattress. In 10 years, it's still $100. But if you invested that $100 wisely, big brain, it can become $150 or $200 over time. Now you can buy more instead of less. You've probably come across a term called compound interest, but what does it actually mean? Let's say you invest $100 and it grows 10% in a year. Now you have $110. Next year it grows 10% again. Not on the original $100, but on the $110. Now you have $121. Now you're big ballin'. So where do I even invest my money into? I mean, there's stocks. You buy a tiny piece of a company, and if it does well, then you're happy, and it's worth more. And if it crashes, well, the second thing is bonds. You're basically lending money to a government. They pay you back with interest, but usually slower growth. The third thing is real estate. You can buy a house, an apartment, or land, and you can either rent it out or you can sell it later for more. And you get to say, yeah, I own real estate, I guess, at parties. Imagine this, you put all your money into one company. Let's call it Flying Toaster Shoes Incorporated. Everyone says, these shoes cook your breakfast. Then the toaster shoes catch on fire. Then your money goes poof. And then you're homeless again. That's where diversification comes in. Don't put all your money eggs into one exploding toaster basket. Understand that you will lose money sometimes. Markets can go up and they can go down, sort of like a roller coaster. If you freak out and sell every time something dips, investing won't work for you. The key is staying calm and playing the long game. Invest in things you understand, not things that sound cool at parties. You don't need to be a genius, but you do need to learn the basics. How the stock market works, why diversify isn't just a fancy word smart people say. The earlier you start, the better. Thanks to compound interest, even small investments can grow big over time. TLDR, investing works, it's not instant, it rewards patience, it punishes panic, it's for the long haul. And yes, you can do it. Just remember, slow and steady beats broke and sweaty.